Hello, come. I will sweep the lands for you to leave your footprints here on beautiful Ngunnawal country. Ngurrjung, the water of the Royal, the Murrumbidgee, the Molonglo, the Gudgeonbee and Ginninderry, that will cleanse you of all harm.
This National Legal Aid project enables trauma-informed, rights-based legal services to clients experiencing distress, mental ill health and suicidality. The With You project consists of training that will be rolled out for the entire legal assistance sector next year, as well as the toolkit being launched today.
As Attorney General, I am committed to ensuring that vulnerable Australians receive the legal support that they need. You support the vulnerable and disadvantaged when facing the most difficult stages of their lives, and you have the ability to prevent people's problems from escalating. Legal assistance not only helps solve legal problems, but can touch many other aspects of a person's life.
I'm here to tell you about how my trauma-informed lawyer made a life-changing impact. If you ask the health system, they would describe me in words such as depressed, anxious, borderline, bipolar, psychosis and withdrawn. If you went off police reports and statements made against me, they'd tell you I was verbally and physically violent, very aggressive and even dangerous, an unsuitable parent. My colleagues would call me driven, strategic, passionate and empathetic, and a big problem solver. And I consider myself to be betrayed by many, understood by few. I saw a legal aid lawyer. She read my brief, talked to me about the charges, and then she asked for context. And I gave it to her in a very blasé way. And she looked at me in like disbelief, not the dismissive kind of disbelief, but the shocked kind. A reaction that communicated with me that she actually heard me. And up until that point, not a single person that I'd interacted had actually heard me or understood what I was going through. My lawyer made sure that I had all of the supports that I needed to get back on my feet. And it was by no means an easy task. But eventually, I got mediation and I got my daughter back. And the skills, not even skills, the empowerment of that lawyer, the spirit, the hope, and the feeling of confidence and just agency that she gave me not only helped me fix my life, but it's the reason that now I can also fiercely advocate for systemic change.
Little things can make a big difference. The toolkit suggests we start small. Changes to our communications, setting up an advisory committee, building better partnerships across sectors. On the front line in management and as leaders, in this sector, we are innovating all the time. We can think of this work as an extension of that.
This kind of support not only ensures that we are effective in our legal practice and experiences for our own staff and those who deliver services, but also that we can continue in the sector for a long time in a healthy and productive way. For me, it's about rights, it's about collaboration within our sector, all in the interests of justice, and ultimately putting clients and users at the centre of what we do.
It's true that trauma-informed practice can mean significant changes to service and system design, to laws, to the court processes, but it can also mean changing little things. The nature of the first contact, feeling that the worker sees and hears you, has time for you. Nationwide investment in this work will pave the way for more effective services, better laws, realised human rights, and better outcomes. The time for this work is now, and the opportunity we have to improve people's access to justice is too important to miss.
It's not only individual rights. For me, it also leads to systemic rights and issues that we can address as communities, and it's building trust with those who use our services and our clients that may have been undermined by the circumstances they've experienced in their lives.
Legal services providers play a crucial role in ensuring that all Australians, particularly our most vulnerable, can access our justice systems. I have a deep respect for the work done by Legal Assistance Services and for their continuing willingness to adapt to the needs of their clients and the accelerating rate of change. A lawyer who can recognise and respond to trauma delivers an effective legal service, reduces further harm, and reduces the impact of vicarious trauma on themselves. For this reason, frontline lawyers must be equipped with the right tools and resources to provide trauma-informed services.
The difference between having a trauma-informed lawyer and one that's just trying to get you out is literally life-changing.